Sit in a very comfortable position. The best position for this meditation is to sit in lotus position. Cross your legs, sit on the floor, put both your hands in your lap, one upon the other, left hand down, right hand up, both hands facing towards the sky. Try to sit with a comfortable spine. Don't stretch it more. Sit very comfortably. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and release. Take a deep breath into your belly and release it. Take another deep breath in from your nose, going towards your belly, and release it. Now I want you to imagine a white light in the sky. This light is the source of everything in this universe. This white light gives us energy. This light gives us the life. This white light is the source of you. It's the source from where I have come, and it is the source from where each one of us have come to this earth. This light is very powerful. It contains abundant peace and purity inside. Now I want you to imagine that white rays from this white light is coming towards you. The white light comes upon your head and goes deep inside your body. Visualize the white light filling your entire body with peace. Imagine how it goes to your face, neck. It goes inside your chest, inside your hands, inside your stomach, inside your belly, inside your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, and your feet. This white light is the symbol of peace, and currently your entire body is filled with this peaceful light. You can feel the peace within. You are feeling very peaceful right now. Loosen your body and say 3 times in your mind, relax, relax, relax. I want you to imagine that this white light coming from that source is pouring upon you, creating a white shield around your body, a shield of light. The aura around your body has become so peaceful with the presence of this white light. This white light acts as a shield against any negativity from the outside world. Whenever you face any challenging situation, or if someone tells you something that you do not like, it doesn't affect you, because this light acts as a shield for all the negativities of the outside world. You are a peaceful soul. Say in your mind 3 times, I am a peaceful soul. I am a peaceful soul. I am a peaceful soul. And now I want you to feel the peace inside your body, and it clearly reflects on your face in the form of a beautiful smile. There is a very attractive smile right now on your face that symbolizes your internal peace. just for this day, you decide to carry this peace along for entire day. Wherever you go, whatever you do, whomsoever you interact with, this white light remains in you and around you and makes you feel peaceful all the time without any efforts, without any conscious efforts. Now I want you to gradually come into the present state of mind. For that, I will count from 1 to 10. When I count from 1 to 10, you will gradually come out of this mental state, and on my count of 10, you will rub both your hands, you will put them on your eyes, and you will gradually open your eyes. Let's come to the present state of mind. 1, 2, slowly coming out of this mental state. 3, 4, 5, 6, coming in the present state of mind. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Rub your hands, put them on your eyes, and gradually open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Thank you.